Australia, and I am from Spain. Okay?
Yes.
Right. Where are you from?
I'm from Brazil.
And
Where are you from?
I'm from Australia. You're from Brazil, I'm from Australia, right?
Yes.
And you're from
You're from Australia. And I'm from Brazil.
okay. Where is she from? Where is she from?
She from
She.
she's from Russia.
Russia. And how old is she? She's from.
From Russia.
Okay. How old is she?
She 24.
She's. No, Danny, if you can't say she, say she is, okay? So you don't forget. Okay? She is 24, okay. Is she a girl or a boy?
She's a girl.
How old is she?
She's
21.
21.
21? Okay. How old am I?
Me.
Me.
You.
You are. You're. You say you're. Maybe. Maybe. How old, maybe?
0.
0. Okay, thank you very much. I'm just a baby, huh?
Yes.
Okay, alright. Okay, now are you a selfish giant?
Yes.
Okay. Now tell me, I'm going to go through the months with you. What month is it now? What month now? Yeah. What month is it now? This month is
This month, it must be
June.
January.
Okay, good boy. And is it winter, summer, or what is it? Spring? Now, do you know which month?
It is January.
Yeah, but which season? Which,
Spring.
is it spring? Wow. I think it's winter.
Not.
January is winter. It's cold in the winter.
Yes, it's very cold.
Yeah, it's winter.
I don't like winter.
Okay. You can wear a nice jacket in the winter.
No. I'm wearing a coat.
You wear a coat
And a trouser.
and a scarf.
Yes.
Now, what sport do you like?
I like play chess.
To
To
play chess. Okay. Now we play chess. What about football?
play football.
What about badminton?
Play badminton.
What about judo? What about running?
Go running.
Oh, very good. Well done. Yeah, nice. And do you like taking photos?
No, I don't.
Okay. Do you like playing basketball?
Yes, I like.
I do. Okay, ask me.
Do you like read comics?
Reading comics?
Read comics.
Yes, I like to read comics. To read reading. Yeah. To read reading. Yeah. And does she like to play basketball? Ask her. Ask her. Do you? Ask her.
Do you like playing
To play.
basketball?
I do like.
No, she doesn't like, or she does.
No, she doesn't.
Okay. Okay, you're fine. Now, last class with me, you did this, yes? And did you do this? No. Not yet, no. Okay, you're okay. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.